Okay, so it's raining and the kids are acting like the thunderstorm is after them. And I wanted to come get some really cool moody pictures because if you can see, it's like literally so beautiful, but it's raining, so my camera's gonna get wet right now. But Jared just made us like incredible, he probably already told you guys this, but the best hamburgers, pepper jack cheese, habanero, something, sausages from Costco, and they were delicious. Well, lately every day has been a cheat day for us, but we haven't had waffles, so I'm all, it's an in-betweener. It's a normal day today.
It's an in-betweener.
Go, go! Lily.
We're playing Fortnite and Jones got killed.
Lily, are you coming over here?
Somebody's face.
Start running.
Oh.
Hi. I
The
play
Flash,
Fortnite.
Flash, and Batman.
Flash.
So I was actually doing a video and I never do video on my camera, and then the button on my pants just broke because I'm gaining it. I just had 2 hamburgers and 2 sausages, but it's bulking season around here, so.
What happened?
Let's close your eyes. No, close them.
Mr. Jammy Man. Hey there.
I'm sorry.
Oh.
You almost did it in my
I
eyes.
know, I'm sorry.
So I introduced Chad to aloe vera. It's a little skin technique that I've been using for years.
It keeps your skin really soft, and then whenever you get wrinkles, just spray it on and then get some Botox and you're perfect.
There you go.
No, Jonesy. Look at this cute little pajama boy though. Are you the cutest little thing in the world? He's doing his daily skin routine.
What do you think about adopting another baby?
Touch my face.
Well, Jones is the only
That's
baby
my
we
face.
need, huh?
I just got a haircut. As you can tell. Check out my channel.
It looks long.
No.
Yeah.
Mason, no, we give it
Should we cut it?
I cut it alright, but he.
Okay, I guess you don't want
insisted
soft
on-
skin. Yes, you don't want.
I'm gonna keep my followers.
He insisted on keeping the
Look at
top
easy breezy,
exceptionally long.
beautiful cover boy.
Oh, just a little hair.
So we lit all the candles because we want to do scary stories.
I'm going first.
How about we just listen to them?
Alrighty.
Cover.
So either this is a meditation or a seance. I'd be a little bit concerned
now.
with